you want to do?
Alright, y'all. Morning, y'all. VQ boys back at it with another video. So y'all know I got another Infiniti 30 times the charm. Woke up this morning, car was acting a little funny, didn't want to start correctly. Sam told me look in the battery. Like, this is crazy how Sam just keep telling me to look at stuff. So as I'm looking, I realized it looked like the fuse was welded on before. But then I looked at it real hard, it looked like this shit was blown. Good luck having mechanics up the block. I got one of them to use their fucking pro meters and test all of these shits. And indeed, this one right here was blown. So I went to my handy dandy next door neighbor, AutoZone. Got the replacement part. Yeah, be careful, that's a belt right there. But yeah, I got the replacement part and she running up smooth and fine. But yeah, y'all. Oh yeah, and the symptoms or like some things you run into if you have this problem or it's going bad. For instance, you will start your car and it will go straight to the on mode, but nothing will go on the dash. Like it will just be a black screen, but like certain electronic components are working, but the battery isn't working, or like the radio wouldn't be working, or the power seeing. Then yeah, this might be a problem. Or you might want to look at your battery first and then go from there. One thing I learned about Infinitis, they have a few electrical problems because they do take a little bit more electrical to actually run the car than your average car. But pretty much for it, it's a pretty decent car. You just got to worry about certain maintenance issues and not getting water in your car and shit like that. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated with all the little maintenance and some tips and ideas to keep y'all Infiniti on the road.